How to leverage KeepUp's DORA Metrics dashboard. Welcome to KeepUp's DORA Metrics dashboard tutorial. This short video will help you make the most of this dashboard. In today's fast-paced tech landscape, the ability to measure, analyze, and optimize the core aspects of software development can be a game-changer. KeepUp's DORA Metrics dashboard transforms how you approach engineering, providing real-time insights into essential metrics that define success. Explore the 4 key pillars that can revolutionize your DevOps performance. Let's dive into each metric. First, let's look at the issue lead time for changes. The issue LTC metric template provides the average issue time from assignment to close date. According to the DORA Metrics scale, elite performers have an issue LTC below 1 hour. You can apply filters at a metric or dashboard level to monitor specific time frames, teams, or projects, for instance. To drill down into the details of a specific data point, simply click on the chart. Remember, you can also modify the drill down to focus on the aspects of your choice. Let's now look at the PR lead time for changes. The PR LTC metric provides the average time elapsed for open to merge at a PR level. Elite performers observe an LTC below 1 hour according to the DORA Metrics scale. Organizations use this metric to streamline the development, review and merge process and eliminate development bottlenecks. Like for all KeepUp's templates, you can modify the metric, apply filters, or change the drill down components. Let's now look at the commit-based change failure rate metric. This metric calculates the monthly ratio of fix-related commits versus all commits of merged pull requests over the past 12 months. This insight is an estimation of the volume of failures that went into production and the amount of rework it generated as a result. Industry standards on DORA metrics define elite performers as organizations that keep their change failure rate ratio below 15%. Note that this insight relies on developers using recognizable keywords, such as fix, in their bug resolution commits. Let's now look at the deployment frequency metric. This insight provides the average number of pull requests merged daily over a selected timeframe. This metric informs teams about their ability to ship features, enhancements, or fixes to users. DORA metrics define elite performers as teams or organizations that deploy up to several times a day. Companies must target frequent deployments to improve velocity and ensure that the development pipeline remains unclogged. Finally, let's look at the mean time to recovery metric. The MTTR metric calculates the average number of hours it takes to resolve incident-related issues from open to close, over a selected timeframe. It informs on the team's ability to handle incidents and restore service. The lower the value, the better the response rate to incident handling. Elite performing teams will keep this value under 1 hour. Achieving elite performance is more than a goal, it's a continuous journey. With KeepUp's DORA Metrics dashboard, you'll have the tools to refine your development strategies, embrace intelligent automation, and foster collaboration like never before. If you need assistance to leverage this dashboard or to build your own custom metrics, ping us via the chat or send us an email at support@keepup.io. Our team is more than happy to help you get started.